Can you set a live wallpaper on iOS 16? The quick answer to that is no, you cannot set live wallpaper on iOS 16. I don't know why Apple did that, but you cannot set live wallpapers anymore on specific iPhones. The previous methods of keeping live wallpaper is not working anymore. There may be a different way to do it, but nobody else has found a different ways to do it. Previously, to set wallpapers, you want to go to the settings and then you want to scroll down and tap on wallpaper. After you do that, you enter to this page and then you want to tap on choose new wallpaper, and then you would have live here, but since you have updated, you will not see this anymore. Then you just want to choose any of the picture and then you want to tap on set, and that is how you would change wallpaper. Moving back to the wallpaper page, you can enable or disable dark appearance theme wallpaper according to what you want. Even though live wallpaper is not available in iOS 16, you can still see moving wallpapers. You can still put on moving wallpapers on your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching to the end.